Welcome to Kalispell Toyota. Whether you're here for a routine oil change or more in-depth maintenance, we're here to take care of your vehicle and ensure you're back on the road in no time. When you arrive, you'll be greeted by one of our friendly service team members who will guide you through the process. We believe in making every visit as smooth and welcoming as possible. They'll ask a few questions about your vehicle needs, whether it's a simple check-in or something more involved. Relax in our comfortable customer lounge while your vehicle is being serviced. Enjoy free Wi-Fi, coffee, and snacks to make your wait as pleasant as possible. If you need to go somewhere, take advantage of our convenient shuttle service, which will drop you off and pick you up when your vehicle is complete. Whether you're here for a quick visit or a longer one, will make you feel right at home. For quick routine maintenance like oil changes, tire rotations, and fluid checks, our Toyota Express Bay has you covered. These services are designed to get you in and out fast. While we can take walk-ins, appointments are recommended and appreciated, and will guarantee a fast turnaround. If your vehicle needs more in-depth service like brake repairs, engine diagnostics, or transmission work, our main shop is where the magic happens. Our highly trained technicians are equipped with the latest tools and technology to ensure your vehicle gets the best care possible. Once your vehicle is complete, your advisor will walk you through what was done and the results of your multi-point inspection. And if you have any questions or concerns, we're here to help. At Kalispell Toyota, we're committed to keeping your vehicle running smoothly with professional, personalized care. So next time your Toyota needs serviced, come see us at Kalispell Toyota. We're here to make your service experience as quick, convenient, and pleasant as possible.